Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, Mother's Day is this weekend. I decided I was going to go out and make some extra cash. I want to do something nice for my wife. Kids want to take her out for Mother's Day, so we're going to have a nice, all-inclusive Mother's Day weekend. And I've only got about a week and a half left before I get my state license, and my phlebotomy license is back, and I can go back to making close to, well, a nice annual income again. So while I was out though, I got a ride request. Stick around, check it out. Hey everybody, thanks for sticking around. Before we get into this, and I'm going to tear this video, I'm going to tear this call down, break it apart as much as I can, and I hope that drivers will understand just how bad it's getting. David Risher, the new CEO of Lyft, you want to make things right? You need to get rid of garbage like stuff I'm going to show right now and let drivers set their own rates. Start it in LA County, start it in California, whatever. But this is the kind of crap that's pissing drivers off. And you want to know why people cherry pick and why drivers aren't taking everything? Check out this. This was a ride request for today, and it said it was a $183 ride. It was 7 minutes away. Doesn't say where it's going. It just says there's a $183 trip. And a lot of drivers are going to go, ooh, man, that's a good chunk of change. Check this out. $183.56 to Las Vegas, 240.6 miles, 5 hours, and that even this 4 hours and 48 minutes is a joke. 5 hours conservatively, so you're looking at a minimum of 10 hours round trip. 10 hours for $183.56. But that's not it. I went and checked Lyft's waybill, at least the one that they had. My market gets 75 cents a mile and 11 cents a minute. So let's break it down according to Lyft's waybill and what they are paying drivers. Check it out. So at $183 at 86 cents per mile and per minute, so that's 75 cents a mile and 11 cents a minute, this ride should have been $212.79. $212.79. And here you go. 240.6 miles times 75 cents a mile is $180.45. Then we go to the total of minutes, which is 288, and take the 288 minutes, multiply that by 11 cents a minute, which is $31.68, for a grand total of $212.13. $212.13. That's a difference of $30 right off the bat. Now, I don't care if the speed limit, I know what the speed limit is. I race in Las Vegas twice a year, okay? I know that I could almost tell you exactly where this is going because it is 238.6 miles from my front door right here to South Point, where my family and I stay when we race. because they sponsor me. So this was really close to South Point. Okay, and this is the south end of Vegas. Yet, check this out. $240.6 times 2, 481.2 miles round trip. Just for the now, that's according to the ride details from Lyft. Those are exact numbers. Just to be on the safe side, let's make that an even 500 miles. Okay? Bathroom stops and what have you. Traffic, construction, alternate routes. Because Vegas, if you've been there recently, is undergoing a lot of stuff. So 481, let's just say 500, but anyway, 481 miles divided by 25 miles per gallon. It's 19.24. Make that 500, keep that at 25, and you're looking at 20 gallons of fuel. 20 gallons of fuel. Now, gas still isn't cheap. It's still $5 a gallon in California. And at least the account holder was nice enough to let me know that he wasn't actually coming along. He was in Vegas already. He was calling for 2 friends. His 2 friends were going to come and hang out with him for the weekend. That's pretty cool. With their luggage. It's Wednesday. So now I've got to take 2 people, all their luggage for 5 days, 5 nights, drive them to Vegas. Don't think I'm going to be seeing much of that 25 miles of the gallon in my vehicle, but I'm just using that as an average. Let's keep going. Check it out. So, 20 gallons at $5 a gallon is $100. You are making $183.56 minus your fuel, and only your fuel. You have made $83.56. Remember, it's going to take you a minimum of 10 hours to complete this trip. So, what are you going to make? $8.35 an hour. $8.35 an hour. Now, in California, Lyft pays 120% of minimum wage. Minimum wage is $15.50. So, in this case, I don't have my calculator, but at $15 an hour, you're looking at $150. So, is it worth it? Well, no, it's not. And I'll tell you why. Because you're not getting paid to come back. You're only paid while you're on the clock. That's booked time. So break it down. Guess what? Even if they meet you halfway, it's $60. Let's say $70 with the minimum wage guarantee that they have in California. You've still made more than that. You've made $83. So you're making $8.36. Sorry, $8.35. 500 miles on your tires, on your vehicle, the wear and tear. Plus, you're going to be stuck in a car for 5 hours with 2 people. Not a good idea. So, I just wanted to take this video, break it down, like it, don't like it. I'm just showing you the truth. So one thing I've really prided my channel on was telling people the truth. If you've made it this far, do me a favor. Please hit the thumbs up button and share this video with Rideshare Professor. Rideshare Professor. I'll put a link down in the description. I would love him to see that. Torsten is a very good friend of mine, and he loves eating stuff like this up, chewing it up and spitting it back in the face of these companies. This is a joke. Drivers, as independent contractors, if we could set our own rates, this would be a $300 trip or a $400 or $500 trip for the driver. It may cost the passenger $800, but if they want to take it, they're going to take it. The driver makes money, the passenger gets his friends or gets whatever. The passenger, the account holder gets the service they're requesting, and Lyft makes a shit ton of money too. And everybody wins. All the driver can do to protect ourselves is file a report against the passenger, which doesn't hold any weight anyway, or smash them with a 1 star and never be paired up with that particular individual again if they lie to you or whatever. Doesn't matter. And you know what? That doesn't always work, because I have been paired with passengers that I have 1 starred multiple times. They still get them. But it is what it is. It's a joke. It's a joke. So, anyway, that's all I got to say about it. Again, if you like it, thumbs up, share it with the Rideshare Professor. Links down below. Leave your comments. Leave your thoughts. Would you take this trip? I wouldn't. I wouldn't take it for $200. I wouldn't take it for $300. I would take it for $450. Maybe. Till next time, everybody, be safe, be professional, keep it real if you must. Drive on, and until next time, I wish you all the best of health. Be safe.